So this is the euro dollar analysis for Tuesday, the 6th of February. Now, let's just have a look what happened to prices and where prices may likely go going forward. So on the 5th, we had prices, just bear with me a second here. There we go. So here on the 5th, we had prices around this 24.50 in around the 400 period moving average. On the weekly time frame, we saw sell side momentum coming towards this 200 period moving average. We did in fact hold the 200 period moving average, as we can see here. We traded below it, had a retest from underneath, and we saw further sell side momentum coming to the market. Now the sell side momentum has now taken us down to this 23.62, a weekly pivot. So we'll see how prices react towards this 23.62. We do appear to be into a bit area of consolidation. If we do see some strong buy side momentum come into the market from here, we'll look for another retest of the 200 period moving average, a break from which we'll be looking for price head up towards that 24.50, the 400 period moving average on the weekly time frame, where we have seen some sell side momentum previously come into the market. If we don't see any sell side momentum, or we do break down from this 24.50, we will be looking for price head up towards that 125 level. Now, if we don't hold this 23.62, we'll look to see how price is reacting around the 23.37, where we did previously find some support on 2 occasions before seeing some further upside momentum come back into this market. Now, if we do break it down beneath this 23.37, is a very minor level over here, we will be looking to see how prices react. Well, when we are in around 23.37, we'll be in around the 400 period moving average as well, which we may see some further buy side momentum coming into the market from this 400 period moving average, possibly taking us for a test of 23.62. If we do have sufficient volatility and momentum favorable to the euro, we could see a test of the 200 period moving average at 24.50. If, however, we're not able to hold the 400 period moving average, we'll be looking for price head down towards the 22.87, a break from which we'll be looking for price head down towards that 22.23. So yeah, that pretty much covers everything on the euro dollar. Our most recent trend here has been slightly to the downside, because we have our highs here in around the psychological of the 125. Again, we've come into a period of consolidation, breakdown from this 24.50, this 400 period moving average on the weekly time frame. And again, we've seen a further breakdown beneath this 200 period moving average. So the most recent trend has been to the downside, while we are aware that overall on the higher time frames, we are in a bit of an uptrend on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.